Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can install and play Fortnite on your Android device. So in the first step we have to open the Google and type Fortnite Android. Now choose first result. And click download now. Now click continue and add a permission. Then click OK. Now we have to open it now. Open the settings of Google Chrome to add a permission. Now we have to go to back. Now just open the launcher. How you can see, now you can download and play Fortnite from this application. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe and goodbye.